Hey, and welcome back to another edition of Oily Time with Jax. This week, I'm going to talk about Thieves Oil. Yeah, the blend I keep going on about. I've talked about all the cleaning products with Thieves, but there are some really cool DIY hacks that you can do with Thieves and get the most out of your oil, right? That's what we're all about, is getting the most out of your oils and useful tips, right? Because we want to keep ditching and switching the chemicals in our house. Now, remember to go to the person who sent you to this video and talk to them if you want to know more about Thieves after this video, or if you don't have an oil person, I'll be happy to be your oil person and contact me directly. Of course, my information will be in the comments below. All right. Oh, my diffuser looks really glowy, doesn't it? Like, whoa. Hello. I do actually have Thieves in that diffuser. I have Citrus Fresh in that one today. Okay, another thing I'd like to know is what your favorite use is for Thieves Blend Essential Oil from Young Living. Put it in the comments below. Let's get a conversation started, because the more information we share with each other, the more information we can share with other people and get the health and wellness thing rockin', right? That's what it's all about. We work as one giant team, so let's share our information and get it out there as much as possible, right? Okay, so without any further ado, we have Thieves oil. God, I love this oil. It was like one of my first oils. There was 3 that I started with. Thieves was one of them. And wow, besides the obvious stuff like helping me with my bronchitis, use it for cold and flu, use it to ward off your bacteria, there's some other cool things you can do with it. Like, did you know you could use it as a shoe powder? Yeah, you can. Isn't that awesome? So to do a shoe powder, all you need is some baking soda. We're gonna make this maybe half a cup of baking soda and half a cup of arrowroot powder. And if you don't know where to get that from, Amazon does have a nice organic version of that you can get. Also, we're going to use a shaker jar, so you can just sprinkle it into your shoes, right? And I like to put about 15 drops of Thieves essential oil in this mixture and stop my stinky shoes, like my gym runners and my barefoot shoes I like to wear all summer long. Yeah, they get pretty stinky. So this one, along with, I've talked about purification also being used, but I'm going to keep going on about Thieves because I started doing this Thieves in the shoe powder, and for me, I just love the smell of Thieves, so even better than I like the fruity smell of purification. So I've been using that, and wow. Another thing you can do is put it on a couple of drops, like maybe 2 or 3 drops on a cloth, and shove it in your gym bag. And it helps with the stink of the gym bag, because if you're coming home and you're giving it a good haul at the gym, right, and you've got some stinky clothes, shove them in there, and Thieves is going to help that gym bag smell pretty good. All right, so next up, we have a really good scour scrub that you can make with Thieves oil. I mean, the thing is so versatile, it's just unreal, right? So you're gonna take 1 cup of baking soda, and then we're gonna do a 1/4 cup of Castile soap, right? And 10 drops of Thieves, and we're gonna form a paste. And then you're gonna clean your bathtubs, sinks, toilets, showers, etc. with the scrub and replace your harsh chemical cleaners. Because, I mean, most of these places, you're gonna be hanging out naked, right? Bathtub and your shower, and babies wash them in the sink, right? Why not have a nice healthy alternative, a plant-based alternative to clean these surfaces with, right? Makes sense to me. And it's all in the same like bottle of oil. And I've talked about Thieves a lot in the past. These are some new cool DIY hacks you can do. Now, you've heard me talk about linen spray, and I've made it with lavender in the past. And again, my love for Thieves made me go outside of my normal realm and look for DIY linen sprays that I can make with the oils that I have and the oils that I love. And it didn't even dawn on me that you could actually make a linen spray with Thieves. Of course you can. Now I know, and now you know. So what we do is we take 15 drops of Thieves, we put them in a 16-ounce bottle, like a spray top bottle, right? And then you're gonna put in with 16 ounces of distilled water, right? Do your sheets, your towels, your sofa, anywhere you'd spray a freshener. If you dig Thieves as much as I do, then this is the one you're gonna use. If you don't, then you're gonna be using like your lavender spray, or you can do a purification spray and do the same thing. Just hit your sheets and all that with that. But yeah, there you go. Thieves. It is awesome. Now, if you need to get Thieves, please talk to the person who sent you here to this video. If you don't have an oil lady, I'm happy to be your oil lady and we can talk about Thieves Essential Oil, right? My website's going to be right here and I'll make sure that we have a conversation. Now, don't forget to put your uses for Thieves Oil, thinking outside the box, right? That you do on a regular basis. Put them in the comments down below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. You don't want to miss another video, right? And if you smash that bell, then you'll get a notification each time I drop a new video. And I'm hoping you're digging these as much as I'm digging creating these videos for you. So until next time, stay safe and happy oiling.